Welcome to this video on getting funds into your Conflux wallets. When it comes to transferring funds to Conflux, you have two main options: centralized exchanges and bridges. Let's look at both. Centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, and KuCoin are convenient for trading CFX. You can deposit fiat or digital assets, trade them for CFX, and then withdraw to your Conflux wallet, whether that's Fluent, MetaMask, or Ledger. These exchanges offer good liquidity and a wide range of trading pairs, making it easy to obtain CFX, especially with fiat money. The thing is, they require trust. You're entrusting your assets to a centralized party, similar to a bank. You don't actually own your crypto while it's on the exchange. You're trusting that they'll give it back when you request it. Bridges, on the other hand, offer a decentralized way to transfer funds. They let you maintain control of your funds and don't require relying on centralized third parties. You can move assets from chains like Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, and others directly to Conflux. The choice between exchanges and bridges depends on your preferences and needs. If you want convenience and fiat on-ramps, exchanges work well. If you want to maintain control and avoid intermediaries, bridges are the way to go. When talking about transferring funds within Conflux, we're talking about moving assets between core space and eSpace. The easiest way to do this is with ConfluxHub. Here's how to make a cross-space transfer. First, go to ConfluxHub and select the source and destination chain. In this example, we are going to transfer from core space to eSpace. You will see the recommended route below with the button to the cross-space bridge. Click Connect Wallet to connect your Fluent wallet. At the top, you can choose the asset to transfer. In this example, we are making a transfer from core space to eSpace. If you want to transfer in the other direction, click the arrows in the middle. Write the amount to transfer, and in the destination address field, type in your eSpace address or click the Fluent icon on the right to connect your eSpace wallet and fill it automatically. Click on the transfer button at the bottom and sign the transaction on your wallet to initiate the transfer. After the transaction is submitted, you will see the transaction hash on the screen. On Conflux Scan, you can track the transaction with this hash. The transfer was a success, and we will be able to see our CFX on the eSpace wallet used. Making a transfer from eSpace to core space follows a similar process, but it has two main steps. First, transfer the token to the bridge on eSpace, then withdraw the token from the bridge on core space. Just follow the site's instructions. One important reminder: when making cross-space transfers, always double-check your addresses to avoid accidental asset loss. The confirmations are usually fast, and you'll be using the cross-space internal contract. If you prefer a different option, there's Meson. Meson is a stablecoin cross-chain swap protocol that supports multiple networks. The main difference is that Meson only supports stablecoins, USDC or USDT, not other tokens. Here's how to bridge stablecoins with Meson. Go to Meson and click Connect Wallet. Select the wallet you want to use, then click Connect to confirm. In the From drop-down list, select the network you're transferring from. With Meson, you can bridge USDC or USDT from various networks into Conflux eSpace, or from Conflux eSpace to other networks. In the token type drop-down, select USDC or USDT. Into the To drop-down, select Conflux eSpace. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Start Swapping. You can choose a different address for the recipient if needed. You can check the fees details. In this example, the transfer has no fees. Meson also has an option to get some CFX for a selected amount when the bridging is executed, which helps cover the fees on eSpace. Confirm the transaction details and click Swap. In the Approve dialog, click Approve and Swap to invoke a transaction on your wallet and grant Meson permission to access your funds. Click Confirm in your wallet. Once you've granted permission, in your wallet, click Sign to proceed. Wait for the swap request to be processed. Once it's processed, click Sign and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Click Sign and confirm the transaction in your wallet again. Now the transaction is being executed, and Meson will notify us when the transaction succeeds. You can click on the swap ID to open the Meson Transaction Explorer. You can also check the transaction on both blockchains explorers. Meson is known for having low fees and low slippage, which are common advantages when compared to some bridges that may struggle with liquidity issues. These are the main ways to transfer assets on and to Conflux. ConfluxHub for moving between core space and eSpace, and bridges like Meson for bringing assets from other chains. Each option has its pros and cons, so try them out and get familiar with how they work. That way, you can make informed decisions based on your specific needs. Remember to always double-check addresses and transaction details before confirming. And if you're transferring to a new wallet, make sure you have enough gas fees to claim your funds on the destination network.